We produce around about 1.8 million cars a year all over the world. 10 years ago, we had no access to a lot of data because we don't have the infrastructure in place in our plants. And now we have infrastructure to share data, to work with data, and without cloud computing, that's not possible. AWS helps us scale with the knowledge that are in the employees and the infrastructure of AWS. It's reachable from everywhere, and you have experts in every region all over the world. The challenge is in the factory, it's the quality assurance. It's a high effort to visualize faults on a specific car. We weld about 5 million spot welding points a day per plant. That's around about 15 gigabytes of data every day, and every spot welding point has more than 400 values in it. We have to calculate that and to inference all the data. So the digital production platform from Volkswagen and AWS is for all our factories, from the shop floor to the cloud and from the cloud to the shop floor. We created an AI model who checks the spot welding points, and we guide the worker to the weld splatters so they don't have to check all the surface of the car body. We train one model and can deploy that all over our plants. Our employees have a tool they support, and it's not a bottleneck anymore in our production line. We have right now more than 50 plants connected. The main benefit is to share use cases, to develop one, and then to share all over the Volkswagen Group. AWS helps us a lot in scaling or in the deployment when we go to other plants. That partnership means for us, we have access to a lot of data. We can learn AI, and we learn how to build a plant out of data. So it's a data-driven production in future.